say this is a big rich town. I just come from the poet's part. Bright light, city life, I gotta make it, this is where it goes down. I just happen to come up hard. Legal or illegal, baby, I gotta make
never took a straight path.
What's good, YouTube? Wanted to welcome everybody officially to the channel, Rainy Profits. My name is Akil Rainey. I'm a day trader, and I've been a day trader for the past 5 years. All right, so I guess a little bit about myself. I got started in this industry 5 years ago. It was during COVID. I got exposed to the Forex market, and what attracted me to this industry was the freedom. Like, you could wake up anywhere, you could be in another country, and all you need is your phone or, computer and Wi-Fi. You can make income. And for me, that was like, eye-opening, because I never heard of anything like that before. I mean, I've heard of the stock market, of course, but, I never really got any education. I never really tried to dabble into it. So I got exposed to the Forex market, and then I got started. I never gave it the time and attention that it needed so I could really see the profits from it. I mean, just with crazy beginner's luck, I was able to turn $300 into $3,000. But I mean, of course, because I didn't master any psychology, I didn't really master trading strategy, I blew it. So, I kept trying to put some money into it and no strategy. With me not actually working on the things that I need to work on, I blew every dollar that I put into the Forex market. So I stopped doing that maybe a year after, and then maybe 2 years went by, and then I got into stock options. And then after I got into stock options, same thing, I deposited some money into it, got myself an account, eager to make the money, but not eager to learn, not eager to sit down and learn a strategy and learn all the ins and outs of a strategy and what it takes to actually become profitable in this industry. So same thing again, I lost every dime that I ever put into my account. It happens, it's meant to happen. So, I put it down once again, and then I was on YouTube. This was about last year. I was on YouTube, and I saw this guy. He was making a video about taking out about maybe 40 grand from 2 weeks worth of work. And I was like, whoa, like how? Like what's going on? And then from there, I found out about the futures market. Then I found out about prop firms. Once I saw that other people are tapping into this industry through this way, I'm like, okay, I think it's time for me to try it again. But this time, I want to do it the right way. This time, I want to actually take my time and do everything correct. I want to learn a strategy. I want to learn psychology. I want to take all the necessary steps, no matter how long it takes. I'm not on a time frame, right? Just to be successful in this industry, because I genuinely think I have what it takes. Because if I was able to turn 300 to 3,000, yeah, sure, I didn't know what I was doing, but I still did it. I know what that feels like, If I really gave this the time and attention it needs, then I could really make something happen from it. So I brought my first prop firm maybe a month after that, and then before I brought it, I learned a strategy, still every day perfecting it, but I wanted to get some information about how to go about this, not just taking random trades based off whatever the charts are doing. So from there, it took me a couple months to pass my first account. I got a 50K account, and I did end up passing it after a couple resets, of course. I passed it at the end of July, and then I took another one with another company, and I passed that one too. So at this point, I'm feeling pretty good, because I mean, if you guys don't know, the percentages of people passing these accounts who buy these accounts are less than 10%, I believe. I think it's actually less than 5%. So to me, that's a huge accomplishment, because it means that I'm on the right track, I'm doing what I gotta do the right way, okay? So I continued to trade, and then I did run into some drawdown, and I ended up losing my first ever funded account. So after I lost my first funded account, I did take a break from trading on my lives and just wanted to kind of collect as much funding as possible. And from September to like mid-November, I was running into a lot of drawdown. I was going through a lot of accounts, blowing challenge after challenge after challenge. And I really was getting in my own head. My psychology started to take a dive. My confidence in the market started to take a dive. And it was really tough. It was a really tough time period. But I just couldn't stop. No matter how much I was losing, I couldn't quit. I know I have what it takes to get this done, so I just put my head down and just kept going through. No matter how many accounts I lose, I'm going to continue to keep doing this because this is what I want to do. I made up my mind. So I was going to take it serious no matter how long it takes. I know what I have, what it takes to get the job done. I did it before, I could do it again. Started to work on my strategy, started to work on my psychology, really started to journal, take it serious, and I was able to finish out the quarter 4, with over 500K in funding. I got over 9 live funded accounts, and I wanted to start trading in live in the beginning of this year. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've been pump faking this video for the past couple weeks because my first week live trading live in the markets, it wasn't good. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of volatility coming into this year. Trump gets to yapping, you know, price action wasn't the best. So I got caught up in a lot of chop and kind of kill the confidence once again a little bit. And you know, there's a big psychology change when you're coming from trading challenges to trading live capital, because now it's not just, oh yeah, you passed the funded account. Now it's, okay, you getting the payout. So every trade I'm taking, that could potentially lead to a nice fat paycheck. Something I didn't account for in this period was just that adjustment period of from going from demo accounts to now it's live accounts. Giving myself more grace. In these past few weeks, I've really been hitting goal after goal. I've been shifting my mindset, working on my psychology, and stop worrying so much about the P&L and stop being so attached to these accounts, because as a trader, you will be going through capital. That's what we do. We trade capital. You're gonna lose, you're gonna win. You can't be so attached to everything that you're trading. Now that I could see myself kind of getting out and stop being so attached to the accounts that I currently possess and just work day in and day out and move to a more systematic approach to the markets, I've been seeing the results and the P&L reflecting it. So it's only a matter of time before the payout hits the bank account, and I'll definitely show you guys and bring you guys along for the ride. So welcome everybody to the channel, Rainy Profits. We are new trader alert, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and let's go, man. Go get that bag. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next one.